This review examines the strengths and weaknesses of the iPhone 15 Plus. This model caters to users seeking a larger screen experience compared to the standard iPhone 15 while maintaining a more affordable price point than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The iPhone 15 retains the familiar design language with a flat-edged aluminum frame and IP68 water and dust resistance. Notably, it retains the Lightning port compared to the USB-C adoption on the Pro models, and lacks the physical mute switch present on most iPhones. The 6.7-inch OLED display offers a sharp viewing experience with a pixel density of 460 ppi. However, the 60 Hz refresh rate falls behind competitors and even the iPhone 15 Pro models with their smoother 120 Hz panels. The A16 Bionic chipset, carried over from previous generation Pro lineups, delivers excellent performance. While not the absolute cutting edge, it remains highly capable for demanding tasks. This aspect emerges as a significant strength. The iPhone 15 Plus boasts an impressive endurance rating of 111 hours, translating to extended usage on a single charge. The main camera sensor upgrades to a 48 megapixel unit, capturing high-resolution images processed down to a 24 megapixel output by default. Overall camera quality is expected to be notably improved compared to the prior generation. Overall, the iPhone 15 Plus presents itself as a compelling option for users prioritizing a larger display, improved camera quality, and exceptional battery life within a familiar iPhone design. However, those seeking the absolute best display technology or fastest charging speeds or the absolute best advanced camera system might find themselves gravitating towards the iPhone 15 Pro models despite the premium price tag.